Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today we are going to resume Russian word of the day, which is day number 23 in our series. Today we are going to learn the word for egg.
Яйцо, яйцо,
Я, й, цо, яйцо, яйцо. So today's Russian word of the day is egg, and it's got a combination of two vowels at the beginning, ya, y. It kind of sounds a little bit strange to an English speaker, but try to get them to blend together. It almost becomes like a yai, maybe a little bit softer than yai, yaitso. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new word of the day. Until then, get curious and start digging.
яйцо, яйцо.